Hi, hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Obsession. If you are new or if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button down there. And if you would like to get instant notifications whenever we upload a new video to our channel, consider hitting the bell icon down there. In this video, we are going to look into the unboxing and review of JBL Flip Essential Bluetooth speaker. Right now, let's jump into the video. This is the brand new JBL Flip Essential Bluetooth speaker. We had purchased this Bluetooth speaker during the Flipkart Big Savings Day during the first week of August, and while purchasing this piece, it was worth 3,799. Now let's look into the unboxing of this piece. The box itself looks so catchy. Oh. Here we got the speaker inside it. Here we got a micro USB cable for charging the Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what's inside this piece. So here are the booklets of warranty and the user manual. So here is the JBL Flip Essential Bluetooth speaker. They have provided a rope for holding this, and here is the charging port equipped with a micro USB port and AUX port. There is a power button there, and here are the essential functional keys. Basically, this speaker comes with a 16-watt single-tier stereo speaker and is equipped with a 3000 mAh battery, and which can be charged within 1.5 hours, and it will last up to 10 hours in playtime. And the speaker is specially equipped with IP7 waterproof rating. Basically, it will work even underwater. The speaker comes with a Bluetooth version of 4.1. This JBL Flip Essential speaker is a little different than compared to the rest of the JBL Flip series speakers, because it doesn't have the feature of connecting the speaker with the JBL connector app, and also it doesn't comes with the earphone facility. And the frequency response of this Bluetooth speaker is little lesser than the rest of the speakers. The frequency response of the speaker is 80 Hz to 20,000 Hz, but it won't make a huge difference when we listen to music. If we compare this Bluetooth speaker with the JBL Flip 4 or JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker, we can able to see minor difference. But overall, this speaker also a very good speaker in this price category, as we purchased this speaker for just 3,799. So this is one of the best speakers you can be under the 5,000 price range. We have tested this speaker with multiple audio levels and with multiple music genres. This Bluetooth speaker definitely performs really well, and it gives the expected range of audio quality. The bass is really good. We will share you audio test sample at the end of the video. Now let's see the audio quality of the Bluetooth speaker in live. I need to turn on this speaker first. Now I'm turning on the Bluetooth. I just paired my mobile with this Bluetooth speaker. So now let me play a song in Spotify.
I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up. Spit down, you came up, you spit down, you came up. I'm a villain that's winning. With precision, I'm killing. Representing religion. Ended up independent. Took my car to the clinic. Let them check all the vitals. Middle finger to White House. Michael Jackson, my idol. Still ducking the pothole. Talk to the plug every day. It's up Cinco de Mayo. I still got me a Carlo. Still got Monte Carlo. Your car running so.
I can definitely say that this Bluetooth speaker is really impressive, and also we are really satisfied in the purchase of this Bluetooth speaker. If you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker under 5,000, this is one of the best options. And if you want to buy a better version than this, you can definitely go for the JBL Flip 4 or 5. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video. Let me know your comments and feedbacks in the comment section, and I'm dropping you the product link in the description. And this is Jagdish here for Knowledge Obsession. Hope you guys see you in the next video. Thank you.